will suffer the economic turmoil if you don't master the art of risk assessment and management. Picture you standing on the edge of a cliff, watching your hard-earned money flutter away in the wind like leaves in a storm. That's how many Nigerians felt when the naira plummeted by over 40% in a single day earlier that year. But what if I told you there was a way to turn that financial freefall into a thrilling adventure of wealth preservation? Let me introduce you to Idibia, a savvy young investor who resides in the federal capital city of Abuja. When the naira crisis hit, instead of panicking, he saw an opportunity. How? By mastering the art of risk assessment and management. Idibia's journey began on that fateful day in June that year, when the Central Bank of Nigeria floated the naira. As he watched his stock portfolio shrink faster than ice cream in the Abuja sun, he realized he needed a new strategy. Idibia recalls,
"I felt like I was in a sinking boat, but instead of bailing water, I decided to build a better ship."
Determined to protect his wealth, Idibia embarked on a quest to understand investment risk. He devoured books, attended seminars, and even cornered a few financial experts at Abuja parties. His first lesson? Diversification isn't just a fancy word, it's a lifeline. Idibia started spreading his investments across different asset classes. He bought dollars as a hedge against further naira depreciation. He invested in gold, which tends to shine during economic uncertainty. And he didn't forget his roots. He put money into Nigerian agricultural companies, betting on the country's push for food security. Idibia said,
"It was like learning a new dance. Step into Forex, twirl into commodities, and dip into stocks."
But diversification alone wasn't enough. Idibia learned to assess each investment's risk profile. He started asking tough questions like, what's the company's debt level? How vulnerable is this sector to government policies? What's the worst case scenario and can I stomach it? Idibia grins.
It was like being a detective, except instead of solving crimes, I was cracking the code of financial stability.
Idibia's new skills were put to the test when the government announced plans to remove fuel subsidies that year. While others panicked, Idibia calmly reassessed his portfolio. He reduced exposure to transportation companies likely to be hit hard and increased investments in renewable energy firms poised to benefit from the shift. But here's the kicker. Idibia's most profitable move came from an unexpected source. Remember those agricultural investments? As food prices soared due to inflation, so did Idibia's returns. His risk management strategy had turned a potential crisis into a golden opportunity. As Idibia's wealth grew, so did his wisdom. He realized that managing investment risk isn't about avoiding danger. It's about being prepared for it. Idibia reflects.
In Nigeria's economy, risk isn't just inevitable, it's a constant companion. The key is to make it work for you, not against you.
So dear viewers, as you navigate the stormy seas of Nigeria's economy, remember Idibia's tale. With the right knowledge and a bit of courage, you too can turn financial turbulence into a thrilling journey of wealth creation. After all, in Nigeria, we don't just survive economic challenges, we dance with them. As for me, I have embraced challenges long time ago and made it my best friend. I will advise you do the same to maneuver and survive this epileptic economic condition. Be our guest and join us to build your financial knowledge. Encourage us by clicking the like button and add value to others by sharing. Comment investment risk and get a free ebook on how to assess and manage investment risk to protect your portfolio.